present in the recordings of any of my songs. We were all such busy actors at the time. हम लोग उस ज़माने में दो शिफ्टें करते थे, 7 to 2, 2 to 10. We were shooting here, there, everywhere on location. और इस वक्त मुझे बहुत अफसोस की बात लगती है कि it would have been really nice to have participated at the time.
A lot of conjecture at that time. आपको ये and I think magazines में तो बहुत आया था. I think राजी ने कहीं बात कही थी कि this film was inspired by Lata Mangeshkar. Is it true?
जी हाँ, absolutely. Raji, after he had a couple of drinks, would express himself very vociferously, and he did say that the story was about a man who fell in love with a voice. He heard this glorious, melodious voice, and he fell in love with the voice, and he never saw the woman, and that was his passion and his love, and that's what the story was based on.
So how, I mean, did Dev Anand's heroine become Raj Kapoor heroine? मतलब वो कैसे हुआ? It's like almost unfathomable.
I was working with Raji in a film called Vakil Babu. He was playing the title role of Vakil Babu, and Shashiji and myself were playing the romantic lead. So Raji was an exceptional director, और हर हीरोइन की ख्वाहिश थी कि वो उनके साथ काम करें. तो उस शॉट के बीच में he would tell me about this Rupa, and the story and the love and the emotions, and I was just so fascinated by it. I really did want to work with him as a director. So one day I was shooting in SL Studio, which is a stone's throw away from RK Studio. तो घर जाते वक्त मैंने अपने आप को पूरी तरह से in my interpretation of what his Rupa might be, मैंने टिश्यू पेपर लगाया, मेकअप किया, चिटकाया, and wore a long braid, a घघरा चोली, and I went to the RK Studio, and he used to have his place called the Cottage. So I went to the Cottage and I told his man Friday कि sir से कहना कि Rupa आई है. And of course John knew me, he knew I wasn't Rupa, he was also confused. So anyway, he went inside and said, Saabji, Rupa आई है. तो Saabji बोले कि ये कौन Rupa आई है मुझसे मिलने. So then I came in, and I think Raji was really taken. बाद में मुझे पता चला he said कि लड़की इस वक्त इतनी बड़ी स्टार है, इसको ये सब करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. It just shows her passion and her desire, and you know, she's going to give her 100%. तो उन्होंने कृष्णा जी को फ़ोन किया, और कृष्णा जी थोड़ी सी देर में आई, कुछ गोल्ड गिनीज लेकर आई थी अपने साथ, and they gave that to me as a signing amount for Satyam Shivam, and I was over the moon. पर सुनो तो सही, किस्सा वहाँ खत्म नहीं हुआ. तो उनकी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स परेशान थे, बोले ये लाल कपड़ों वाली बिकिनी पहनने वाली मैडम को आप कैसे पुजारी की बेटी बनाएंगे. तो what Raji did, he shot a beautiful reel on Nargis ji's Jago Mohan Pyare, that song, old song. And the reel was just so exquisite. I don't know whether they still have it because a lot of the things burnt down in RK Studio. And he had a screening of that reel. They had a theatre over there in the RK theatres with all his distributors sitting there, and they watched that reel, and the entire film was sold across the border. Yeah. It's just that he was just a very brilliant filmmaker, and his music and his choice of music was exquisite.
लेकिन बात वहाँ खत्म नहीं हुई. फिर आप सेट पहुंची, फिर आपको गाना करना था, चंचल शीतल निर्मल.
Don't remind me of that. I'd been a Navketan heroine when I was told, Ari, just sway, move to the rhythm. And I'm working with Raj Kapoor, who'd worked with the greatest classical dancers, Vijanti Mala, Padmini, and all these wonderful dancers from the South. I was terrified. I actually started weeping on the set. I think it was Dance Master Sohna. I said, ये मुझसे हरगिज़ नहीं होगा. मैं classical dancing नहीं, मुझे ABCD of classical dancing बिल्कुल पता नहीं है. So then he said, don't worry, we'll work around it. So then they made me walk and perform in mudras. So mudras I could do. So if you observe that song, you will see that there is no full dance. There's walk, mudra. Cut. Walk, mudra. Cut. Walk, mudra. Cut. So that was the extent of Zeenat Aman's classical dancing.
So, आपके जो हीरो थे मोस्ट चार्मिंग शशि कपूर एंड सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, उनको राज जी ने एक नाम दिया था, टैक्सी हीरो. क्यों दिया था?
या बिकॉज शशि जी वाज वेरी बिजी. मैं तो 2 शिफ्ट कर रही थी. शशि जी सिर्फ 4 घंटे के लिए आते थे, और जब हम लोग साथ में काम करते थे हम लोग खुद कंफ्यूज हो जाते थे कि इस सेट पे मैं सुनीता हूँ, शीतल हूँ, शीला हूँ, कौन हूँ. ही वाज कंफ्यूज, ये राज है, राकेश है, राहुल है, कौन है, यू नो. तो ये तो चलता रहता था हमारा. वी वर एक्सट्रीमली बिजी एंड एक्सट्रीमली मैड फॉर वर्किंग लाइक दैट.
हाँ, सो टैक्सी हीरो मतलब फिर क्या, कैसे नाम आया टैक्सी मतलब की?
बिकॉज राजी उससे कि शशि जी का मीटर हमेशा डाउन.
फ्रॉम सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम का ये क्लासिकल सॉन्ग टू समुंदर में नहा के और भी. अच्छा, देयर समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग अबाउट दैट सॉन्ग, उसकी जो शूटिंग हुई थी
जी. तो उस वक्त अमित जी की एक्सीडेंट हुई थी कूली के सेट पे. बहुत जबरदस्त चोट लगी थी उनको, और वो काफी वक्त तक अस्पताल में थे.
ड्यूरिंग कुली के सेट पे?
Yes, during the shooting of Coolie. And the first shooting that he actually did was this song from Pukar. After he recovered, when he came out from the hospital, the first set that he came to, actually we went to Goa to shoot there. So this was his first shooting stint after his accident, Samundar. And if you observe very carefully, you know, Amit always with so much zest and vigor. You notice there's a slight frailty to him, but it was just such a wonderful song.
Okay, Satyam Sundaram Jhatpatam.
Oh no.
किसका क्रेज? आपने काका को उनके क्रेज की चरम सीमा पर देखा है in the 70s, and then now of course after Kuli you saw the madness for Amit ji. किसका क्रेज ज्यादा बड़ा था?
जब मैंने काम करना शुरू किया था तो obviously काका जी was just, you could not imagine a bigger star than him. But you know, as you know, they say nothing lasts forever. And but Mr. Bachchan, his longevity has definitely lasted forever. There's something to be said about that. Yeah.
आइए जीनत अमान की यादों के समुंदर में थोड़े और गोते लगाते हैं.
किस किस को ये गाना पता है? क्या आप लोग सब मिलके साथ में गाना और नाचना चाहते हैं?